Hi guys, my name is Kavya Sharma and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. I hope all of you guys are doing good and I hope all of you guys are keeping safe and your loved ones are safe as well. So today I welcome you all with me to Agra. So yesterday itself I went to Agra for a one-day trip. We left from Delhi at 6 a.m. and we came back from Agra visiting the Taj Mahal by say 8:30ish, and it was such a fun trip. So this is Yamuna Expressway. It was raining, it was cloudy, and we were careful about our speed. We traveled with utmost precaution, wearing our masks, keeping our sanitizer with us, maintaining a little bit of distance from people. So we reached Agra at around 10:30 a.m. and obviously our aim was just to travel the Taj Mahal, and this is the way towards Taj Mahal. There is market on one side and there are bogies that kind of take you till Taj Mahal. So car parking is 1 kilometer away from Taj Mahal. So we parked our cars, we took our bogie and we got the tickets to visit online. And after proper checking and precautions from the security there, we finally entered. So this is the outside view. We've just entered the main premise, and of course because it was a Sunday there was crowd and a lot of people were visiting, so the hustle and bustle was good, but we were making sure that we take proper care of not getting too close to people. The weather was amazing. It was not hot, it was cloudy, it was windy, and I think this was one of the best times to visit the Taj Mahal. So as you can see, I'm finally entering and moving towards the main thing, the main attraction. You can see it from the little space that there is this white beauty standing, and I was visiting with a few of my cousins and my husband, and it was just a very prompt trip that we made, not very pre-planned, but like we thought, okay, let's just go and have some fun, have a good trip, one day trip, because Monday today is anyway working. This just looks serene and beautiful. I visited Taj Mahal a lot of times before, but every time I visit it, it's beautiful, it's pretty, it's nice, it's pleasing to the eyes. As you can see, it's not hot at all. The sky is blue and clear, and it's among the seven wonders of the world, and it looks pretty, it looks beautiful. Then we moved in closer. We did not really get a guide because all we wanted to do was just see, observe, appreciate the structure, look at the intricacies. History is beautiful and equally distorted, and we have heard various versions of the same story, but ultimately it's all about what you perceive when you see things, when you see such extravagant things. This is known as the symbol of love, and we just had to visit here. You can see on the ground also that the structure is so intricate, and there is Yamuna. So this is the view from from the Taj Mahal, and as you see, I'm zooming in. This is where we came in towards the Taj Mahal. So we walked a lot, and it was nice. And you can see it's slightly raining. This is the picture I took towards the end, and I decided to put him here. It was a fun trip, it was a nice trip, and I just wanted to share with you some glimpses of it. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please let me know in the comments below, and that would mean the world to me. And have you visited the Taj Mahal yet? If not, you definitely should. Bye guys, take care.